Yippee, 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 yippee. Yippee, yippee. Daddy, I want to go to my friends.
Okay, George, but be careful when you're taking your bicycle. Dangerous in the road. But first, I will go to other places also. I have a friend to meet. So just enjoy Peppa and George here. Taking extra precaution with your bicycle. I will go now. Bye-bye, George and Peppa. You can go to your friends now. I will go first to my friends.
Wow, friends, you have a nice house here. Welcome to our house. This is our playground and this is our house. Wow, you have a beautiful house. Can you make a slide in there? Okay, one by one. Yippee! How about the monkey, Mr. Monkey? Yippee!
And of course, I am afraid of the jet.
I can do also the slide.
And they play together.
Where's Peppa Pig? I'm here. Peppa Pig, I met with my friends in the playgrounds.
Oh, but
where's your bike? Here's my bike. There's a new friends also here coming in our house.
who is that?
Who is that coming? Oh, this is Mrs. Cat. Hello, everybody. Come on down. Let us have here. Okay, okay.
Open the door of the car. Oh, I think I'm so fat.
Meow. Meow. Mrs. Kitty, coming down. I think I'm so fast, so I will go here in the front of the car. How are you today? How are you, George and Peppa Pig? We are fine. Actually, we visited one of our best friend's house. But wait, there's another group of cars there. Who is that? Ow! Whoa! Oh, superheroes!
We are the new superheroes of the new era.
Nice meeting you, my friend.
Where?
Nice meeting you. We are new friends and you're our new neighbor here. You have a nice car too, eh? And Mrs. Kitty too. You have a nice car too, Mr. Kitty, Miss Kitty. Okay, you are welcome to our house too. And I'd like to see another car here. Here's our new friends. Where do you come? Who are they? Oh, they are the Miss Ant and Mr. Ant. They travel so long using their leaves. They have no car? Of course.
They're traveling only using the leaves.
That's impossible.
Yes, it's possible. Because we are ants and we're traveling so long, we are using the leaves of the tree to travel in the water. And by using these big leaves, we will flow in the river. Like this.
Oh, that's so nice and cute.
But wait, there's another friends coming. I think there are the Jollibee. Jollibee and friends.
Wow, welcome Jollibee. Who are they?
Oh, I think there are the Jollibee friends. Look at their car. So nice and cool car also. They are the Jollibee.
But more, there's coming another friends.
A nice car here. It's a pretty friends.
Wow, you have a nice car too. I like this color of the car.
George liked the new car, the green car. Can I use this green car? Of course. Boom, boom, boom. George used the new car. And he traveled to... Be careful, George. I like the orange car for me. Okay. This is good for me.
Meow, meow.
And I like the yellow car. This is for me. But wait, Mama is coming.
Hey, George. Hey, George and Peppa and Mrs. Kitty. You choose your car now. How much is the car? Look like expensive car.
Don't worry. This is not too expensive for us. And they are so nice and cute.
Yes, Mommy, I want to buy this orange car. And my green car is for me. How about this new car I bring to you? What is this car look like? It's like a monster truck.
Yeah, that's a monster truck. Look at that. It can go anywhere you want to go.
I don't want this car. I want the yellow car.
Peppa Pig coming and said,
Me too, Mommy. I don't want this car, the monster car. It's so big, look. Where do I place me? Where do I ride?
It look like nice too, but maybe it's so fast, Ma.
Okay, don't worry. I felt I'm very hungry now. Mama, can you buy me something? Okay. Okay, let's go. We will go and buy ice cream with the Jollies. Come in. Let's go. We will buy an ice cream. Yippee, yippee, ice cream, Mommy. Yay! Yay! Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Okay, let's go.
And and they go to the ice cream parlor.
Wow! It's an ice cream, huh? I want a big ice cream here.
You can choose whatever you want, George.
Yeah, I like that ice cream. The strawberry ice cream. And this is the popsicle chocolate flavor. Yum yum. Mommy, I like the milk flavor.
Milk flavor?
Yeah.
No problem. This is the ice cream. Milk flavor. Vanilla.
Yummy. Yummy. How about me, Ma?
Okay, Miss Cat, you can choose another one.
I want this ice drop. I like this flavor.
And, of course, George ride again to his bicycle. And along the way, he met the Sesame Street.
Ah, hello, Sesame Street. How are you today?
Hello, George. We also want to buy ice cream. We love ice cream too. Yum, 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 yum. Tweet, 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 tweet. Big Bird like also the ice cream. And of course, the Cookie Monster. Yum, 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 watch. You can buy ice cream with us.
What do you want?
I want the ice drop. The chocolate.
Okay, this is the chocolate ice drop.
Yum, 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 yum. And how about you, Big Bird? I like the strawberry ice cream. Okay, this is the strawberry ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. And how about you, Garage? I want the chocolate ice cream. Chocolate, no problem. Yum, 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 yum. And they enjoy the ice cream, eating ice cream. And also George's Mommy Pig, Peppa, and George also enjoy the ice cream. It is summertime, and of course, we need ice cream to make it cool.
Meow, meow. Me too. Okay, you can come back here anytime you want. But we have also a cupcake here, ice cream, everything you need in our store.
Yum, 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 yum. A scoop of ice cream is good. Where's Jollibee?
There, Jollibee. Yummy, yummy.
And of course, after eating and enjoying ice cream, we will see a carnival. Yay!
What is this?
It's a Ferris wheel. It's a wheel. You see?
Wow, so high. Can I go with them?
No, George. It's dangerous. It's only around 18 up if you want to ride there.
How about me, Mama?
Oh, you're still young. And that's because very high. We are not allowed to go there.
Mommy, can you treat me another one after ice cream?
Of course. We will go. We will have a boat riding.
Boat riding?
Yes. Okay. We go now to the boat. They walk along and they see a big boat here. Wow, it's a cool boat. It's a luxury boat. We have there under. What is this? This is the side of the boat. And it's a fully packed boat. It's a nice boat. It's a cool boat. You can open them and slide and have a sunbathing here at the top. Wow! Can I go also with you, Mom? Of course, George. Oh, you can tour in the boat. How about me? I want to go also to the boat. Okay, no problem. Miss Kitty and Peppa, you can go also here. And let us take a picture and have fun in the boat. And they have fun boating. Oh, nice boat. I enjoy this boating. And the family pig enjoy again. Okay, let us close the door. And of course, we got another fun day. Okay. I like this boat, Mommy. Okay, kids, let's go down. It's time to go back to our house. Mommy, I want to go to this sunbathing. Okay, just a minute. And I like this cooler mirror. Oh, yippee, yippee. And the big family and friends enjoy the boat. And they go down and come back again to their house. Okay, let's go.